Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and this will be the 7 p.m. recorded weekly test on WXK85 for Wednesday, November 3rd or 4th? November 3rd. November 3rd, 2021. So, yeah.
The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central,
And I got a surprise for y'all.
and western North Texas. Day 1 through tonight, frost. Temperatures will drop into the low to mid-30s over far northwest Oklahoma late tonight, probably resulting in areas of frost. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, frost. Frost is possible early Thursday morning over far northwest Oklahoma. View graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecasts on.
Okay, so pretty much for the rest of the video, I talked about a bunch of random stuff. So I went ahead and edited all that out. So, yeah. Now, if you're wondering what the surprise was that almost all my radios went off. Normally, radios like the Realistic 12140 and the Radio Shack 12247s, they're normally powered off because they're so extremely loud. So, yeah, but for this video, I decided to go ahead and have them powered on and have them go off. So, yeah, for the most part, all my radios went off except for 3. Well, at least 3 that are fully functional, they just didn't go off. One was the Vector VEC438, which wasn't even shown on screen. That doesn't sound a alert tone for the required weekly test, so I went ahead and had it powered off and off screen. 2 was the newer version 5W100, which something I've noticed with it is that even if it has a tiny bit of static, it won't go off. I'm not sure if it's just an issue with the newer version 5W100 or if other W100s have this issue. But yeah, for some reason, if it has a tiny bit of static, it just won't go off. And my older version 5W100 doesn't have that issue, so yeah, I don't know. And the third was the Midland 74109. Now that didn't go off because it was being underpowered. My understanding was that all Midland power supplies, like the W100 power supply, the W300 power supply, the W120, and the W400 power supply, they all supplied 12 volts. Well, it turns out that the W120 power supply only outputs 9 volts. So, yeah. That's news to me. I thought all Midland power supplies output 12 volts. So, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's why the 7419 didn't go off, was because it was being underpowered, and as a result, it wasn't getting that good signal. So, yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.